Firstly, we prepared a transparent tube with a height corresponding to the impact energy of 3 joules, 500 grams of round steel ball, 2 EPS lines of different quality. Let the steel ball fall down freely at the height of the pipe and hit the line surface. We repeated the tests just now in different parts of the line. As can be seen, the ball fell on the surface of the line caused a certain impact, resulting in a small pit, but the side of the small pit of the line did not break. The same is true for repeated tests. We tested the other line in the same way. After careful observation, we found that the steel ball had obviously destroyed the surface of the line, and the surface water was brittle after the same impact. The surface cracked after impact is unqualified lines. Such lines in production is often caused by jerry butte. Such unqualified lines in the use of buildings, the installation process will be subject to certain damage. Installation over time, strength will decline. Life can only reach a fraction of the qualified products. EPS lines are generally used outdoors, exterior wall parts, so must have excellent waterproof performance. In most parts of northern China, if the water absorption is too high, will also produce freeze-thaw damage and other more serious quality problems. Here we use simple experimental methods to compare the water absorption performance of lines. We pour some water on the surface of the EPS line. It can be seen that the surface water of the qualified product does not penetrate the line. But the surface water of the unqualified product penetrates into the water protective layer of the surface in a very short time. We kept looking at the surface of the line for 5 minutes, half an hour later, and found that the surface of the qualified product, water still did not penetrate. Qualified EPS lines use high polymer modified motor, so the surface is dense, high water resistance, and therefore has a longer life. Unqualified products due to the use of a small amount of polymer, so the surface is loose, strong water absorption, and outdoor use will soon crack, surface shedding, and other phenomenon. Pull-out test, drawing test, is an experiment to test the bonding degree of EPS line between the green body and the surface protective layer. The qualified line should achieve the effect of combining firmly and synthesizing in one. Let's prepare the drawing parts and adhesive. The size of the drawing part is 45 × 45 millimeters. The drawing piece is adhered to the surface of the line with 2 components of strong adhesive. After 1 hour, the strength of the glue is achieved, and the next step can be started. Prepare the portable cutting machine and cut the outer edge along the drawing part to cut the line surface of the green part. Prepare the handheld drawing instrument. Start. After drawing failure, the failure condition of the green body is observed. If the damage area is inside the EPS and the drawing strength is greater than 0.1 MPa, the drawing performance of the product is qualified. After meeting the various properties of EPS product standard, the qualified products naturally possess certain bending resistance, which ensures that we can adjust and correct the shape of the products during construction, and also ensures that the finished products have less damage rate site during transportation and installation. The test of bending resistance of EPS composite lines is not included in the standard, but the bending resistance of EPS composite lines is also a fast and a simple method and